Hello everyone. Welcome back to Dimples and Arabian Journey, sharing recipes every Sundays and on Thursday. Please don't forget to subscribe us and stay connected by hitting onto the bell icon for all the further notification. And today's unique recipe out of the box is Oreo dessert. So this is a very interesting recipe exclusively for our kids, and it's that easy recipe that even our kids can enjoy and experiment their hands on. So let's get started and have a look onto the main and the core ingredient. So we'll be using 2 packets of Oreo and 1 extra packet for the decoration. This yields around 6 serving basically. So and 1 extra pack, that is the 3rd pack, just for the decoration. So you just need to keep this saved for the last. Please empty the 2 pack of Oreo biscuit into a bowl. We'll be using full 2 packs, that is equals to 32 pieces. So here I'm separating the cream frosting from the biscuit. So you just need to just slide it out like this. Separate all the cream. So after this process of separating the cream from the biscuit, you can just save the cream aside. In a blender, now you can add all the biscuit so that you can just give it a texture, and you need to just blend them into a fine powder. So that's what the texture is all about, into a fine powder form like this. You can use a normal mixie grinder also. So just grind them into a fine powder form. Perfect texture. So our Oreo, this will be a main Oreo foundation for the dessert. Please transfer the powder into a bowl, into the same bowl. And now I'm adding 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. If you have salted butter, then it's also okay. So then just mix them together, combine them well. So post adding the butter, we'll divide this and sprinkle generously. You just need to set this on a glass freeze-proof tray. Just please note that you need a freeze-proof tray because you're going to refrigerate it later on. So it shouldn't crack or break it. So you just need to be very careful regarding this. Now gently spread them all over and set it. Save the half for later use for the decoration. Now press the layer and set it very firm. Just press it hard so that it just spreads out evenly, just like this. So refrigerate it for good 15 minutes now. And meanwhile, you can just whip the cream and make the frosting ready. So here the basic ingredient what we need is 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, half cup of condensed milk, and 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. Dairy cream, I'm using a dairy one. You can also use a non-dairy cream if available. So just add the heavy cream and blend them for 2 minutes. The first part is 2 minutes, and now it has a soft peak. Now you can add the condensed milk as it has a soft peak. So remaining 3 minutes after you add the condensed milk and the vanilla essence. The vanilla essence goes in 1 teaspoon, and then you can add the cream, the separated cream of the Oreo. So blend them together for good 3 minutes. Here we are looking forward to a peak, the high peak, or you can say the stiff peak of the whipping cream, and in just 5 minutes it's all set and done. Please do have a look onto the description box below for the stabilized homemade whipping cream recipe. And also a gentle request to subscribe my channel if you haven't. We have the 1 last pack of Oreo which has been saved, 3rd pack. So just open the packet, and we'll be using 3 to 5 Oreo. Just break them and crumble into small tiny pieces and just add them into the whipping cream, just like that. and mix them together. This will give a very nutty and a crisp kind of a taste. So kids will definitely enjoy this. A gentle mix quickly. Suppose 15 minutes, my Oreo biscuit layer, the foundation basically, has been set to perfect. Now add on and top it up with all the cream layers. Just set it, spread it evenly across. Spread it all over, layer on layer, top it up completely. This will need some patience, and the kids will definitely enjoy later on. And a quick reminder to subscribe my channel once again. Now spread it evenly, just spread it gently like this. So all set and ready. Now comes the decorating part. If you remember, we have saved one packet and in which we have already used 3 to 4 biscuits of Oreo, and the remaining will be just decorating it. It's not mandatory, it's completely up to you, but I like it and it looks presentable. So just top it up like this, just decorate it. Please note the Oreo decoration part is optional. And now comes the 3 tablespoons of saved Oreo powder, the blended powder. Just sprinkle them all over. Here comes the final stage, that is the refrigerating it. So you need to refrigerate the Oreo dessert for good 2 to 3 hours. Do not freeze it, please, just refrigerate it. Post 2 hours of refrigerating it, our Oreo dessert is completely ready. I hope you all enjoy watching this recipe today. Do subscribe my channel and leave us with your valuable comments under the comment section below. If you enjoy, do share this video with your friends and family. Thanks for watching.